Okay, so for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Docs. So if you've used it before, you can see the recent documents down here. You can see owned by anybody, you or not owned by you. If you want to start a new document for a paper or something, you need to click on blank, or they even have already made prompts for you for resumes or letters. So I'll click on blank. File you would use to share or open a new one or open an old one or download it. Edit, you could paste. View, this is for the layout. Insert is for anything that you need to put in that you can't use the keyboard for. This is to format your paper. This is for spelling and word count. And this is the help bar. And this would be another easy way to share. Mine's right now is on private to me. You'd have to give a name first before it's shared. We'll skip that, and then you can just send it to somebody to their email.